NASA's Hubble Space Telescope is renowned for its stunning imagery, and its latest capture lives up to expectations. While observing a group of interacting galaxies known as Galaxy AM45325, the telescope revealed what appeared to be a celestial string of pearls. NASA attributes this unique appearance to magnetic interactions between Galaxy AM45325 and a neighboring galaxy. Prior to merging, these galaxies harbored rich, dusty clouds of molecular hydrogen. Upon merging, these clouds compressed, sparking a frenzy of star formation. The exact changes that occur in galaxies during mergers have long been elusive to astronomers. Based on observations, NASA suggests that the observed tails may be the spiral arms of the galaxy stretching and bending due to gravitational forces between interacting galaxies. The fate of star clusters post-merger remains uncertain. Possibilities include them being drawn back into the galaxy's core to form globular star clusters, dispersing to create a halo of stars around the host galaxy, or being ejected into the universe as wandering stars. Insights gained from studying these galaxies are expected to shed light on galactic evolution and the dynamics of star-galaxy interactions during collisions. If you find such space and science topics fascinating, stay connected with us.